Peter, I'm making the car extra nice for you.
I appreciate that. You're the man.
The body work saying is, you want it nice, sand it twice.
All right, today's an exciting day. I'm back here at Vintage VW. I took a ride up here, and today Dennis is going to be repriming the car.
You love it?
Car?
See how much more work there is? See all the roof? See all this stuff? See, I had to use little combi putty where the nicks are. That's too small for filler, but I mean, the primer will probably take care of it, but we're not taking chances now. We're done taking chances, Peter.
All the body filler sanded down. He had to use a combination of combi putty and glazing putty to get rid of some of the smaller imperfections. So it's all sanded down, ready to go, and we're ready to get started on the primer.
I can tell you, in the roof alone, from here to here to here, there was 20 of them.
20 dents?
Little dings, yeah, from hail. And we picked them out, but you can only beat on it so much, you understand? And then I used the stud welder and pulled it all out. Then remember right here? This was creased.
Okay.
The dude beat up around the headlight pockets. You brought me the hood from, I don't know, Oshkosh Magosh. And then the nose, look, this was all welded here. It was split open. You don't remember that?
I don't, yeah.
It was ground out. The guy ground it so badly, he probably taken the filler out of it. And then I reshaped all this with a hammer and dolly. There's only thin layers of filler here to hide some of the, you know, the metal markings.
So is it just like all Karmann Ghias are just a terrible...
Seems that way to me. I don't know, man.
Every one of them is a disaster.
I haven't seen a nice one yet. When you go to the car shows, Peter, how many nice Karmann Ghias are there?
Okay, so out of 10 Karmann Ghias, there's probably 1 or 2 that are nice, and the rest of them are just sort of drivers and rusty.
Well, now you know why. They're a very frustrating car.
This has turned out to be a much more expensive project than I thought, but that's always the case with car restoration, especially with Karmann Ghias. They are a money pit, and that's because the bodywork on these things is usually really, really terrible.
I mean, Peter, look, I even like leveled out your battery tray. See the little pitting marks? But I did a little body work there to smooth it all out, so when we prime it, even your battery box that no one's gonna see but you looks nice.
I think the battery's going under the back seat.
Because you're a special guy, what?
The battery's going under the back seat.
Oh, God. It's going to look nice for nothing. Peter, I'm making the car extra nice for you.
I appreciate that. You're the man.
The body work saying is, you want it nice, sand it twice. But what happens is, people don't want to put this kind of work into the average car. Profitability-wise, it's not the way to go. But at Vintage VW, Peter, you can record this.
All right.
We care about our customers more than the dollar signs, because you know why? This place could go out of business, but I'll still be in the Volkswagens, and I don't want to have to hide from you at a car show. And you can say, hey man, remember me? And I could say, no, not really, because I worked on so many cars.
All right, Dennis is still inside. The priming work continues. He's got a partial coat on it right now. It's gonna need at least 3 full coats tonight. You know, I'm really happy with the way it's coming out. Just seeing the body with one uniform color over it, even though it's gray, to see it as one piece, one unified whole, without, you know, seeing metal and the yellow body filler and the combi putty and the glazing putty were all different colors, yellow, blue, and metallic. So to see it as one uniform piece, really pumped, really excited. It's really coming together. So once the primer is done, next video, hopefully we'll get color onto the car. But for now, the priming work continues, and that's it. That's the video, that's the update. So in the next exciting installment of the never-ending Karmann Ghia saga, we have color, the car has been jammed. Let's take a closer look.
That's it.
It's a waste of money and a waste of time. German Italian bastard child.